Drug bust resembling a scene from Breaking Bad. 300 pounds of meth all found in a North Fulton County home. This was the scene after the DEA raided the house earlier today. Agents tell us they arrested 7 Mexican nationals, and we are now learning that this was only one of the homes being raided in this massive drug bust operation. Our Ashley Johnson shows us how it was all uncovered.
The DEA says criminals operate in the darkness, and as you can see, it's pitch black out here. That's what they took advantage of. Federal agents raided 2 homes early Saturday, both properties tucked away in rural locations. Agents had search warrants for 6 locations in several counties, but they busted only 2 for meth. Agents recovered 300 pounds of crystal meth, including the liquid form of the drug, at this home on Mountain Road in Milton. They say this was an operational conversion lab and extremely dangerous.
With methamphetamine, it can be extremely volatile, the chemicals that they use, particularly when you're dealing with a conversion lab, because what they're simply doing is they're converting a liquid form into what is called ice or crystal methamphetamine. So that they can basically smoke the methamphetamine.
In Allenwood, they focused on a barn which they say had several igloo and plastic containers used to hold the drug. Inside a tiny home, agents say is where meth was being processed. Another 80 pounds of meth was recovered here. A total of $2 million in street value between the busts. Between 7 to 8 arrests, Mexican nationals now in custody. Officials are still working on figuring out their alien status. We know at least 3 were arrested in Milton.
Sometimes when we're working these cases, we don't know exactly where we'll end up, and we just happen to end up at this particular place.
Agents say this home in Milton was cleaned by an environmental cleaning company. Now, for every 1 pound of meth, we're talking about 5 to 6 pounds of toxic waste. So with 300 pounds, that's a lot of toxic waste. But the DEA says you can rest assured that right now this home is not a hazard to the environment.
All right, Ashley, thank you for that.